Before we get started, if you are not yet, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications so you never miss when I post a video. Now, let's get on to the video. Hello, it's LayLay, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today, I'm going to be showing you where all the chests in Royale High's new Diamond Beach are. There are 4 chests, and don't forget to follow my lead, and you will find them very easily. So, I think we are all ready to get started, and do not forget to like and subscribe if you are not, and share this video with others. So, yeah. Let's get on to our video. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate that you made it to the end. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you all next time. And do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I will see you all next time. Bye!